स्पॉटलाइट में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट अमीता। Join us weekly to get inspired by guests who'll share their success stories. Versatility होती है एक फैक्टर जिसकी वजह से सक्सेस मिलती है एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में, एंड आवर गेस्ट टुडे इज अ शाइनिंग एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट। उनकी कंपनी के जरिए यू कैन हैव अ वन स्टॉप शॉप फॉर ऑल द एंटरटेनमेंट नीड्स, वेदर इट बी डांस, म्यूजिक, फिल्म्स, event management, and much more. And unki latest film, Teri Meri Jodi, is coming out in August. So with pleasure, I welcome to our show Mr. Adityas. आपका स्वागत है स्पॉटलाइट में।
Thank you, and I wish you say hi to everyone, whoever watching us. Yeah, and thank you for inviting me in your show.
तो आप हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं बीसी से, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टेकिंग द टाइम। आज आप इंस्पायर करेंगे हमारे व्यूअर्स को, बट सबसे पहले जाते हैं आपके बचपन की ओर। टेल अस अ लिटिल बिट मोर अबाउट योर ग्रोइंग अप एंड योर जर्नी thus far until this point.
I actually born in Patiala, Punjab. So basically, my background is from Punjab, and then I study in Patiala, and then after that I was, on that time I was into music and dancing myself, and I was, very attracted into all this film line. And then in 1998 and 1997, I decided to move to Mumbai. Then in 98, 99, I moved to Mumbai, and I go there, and I stayed like till 2005, and I work in few serials, and other stuff. So my बचपन मेरा बचपन जो शुरू हुआ है वो आँख खुली जब थोड़ा होश आया तो फिल्म लाइन ही शुरू हुई, and then I'm just going into that.
अमेजिंग। तो ज्यादातर साउथ एशियन फैमिलीज में ये होता कि एंटरटेनमेंट की ओर आपको यू डोंट गेट पुश टुवर्ड्स इट एंड इट्स लुक डाउन अपॉन। आपको सपोर्ट मिला आपकी फैमिली से, और यू जस्ट पेव्ड योर ओन पैथ?
No, I don't have support from my parents because I was from very middle class family. तो हमें ये होता था कि सुबह 5 o'clock I have to go work with my dad, and then ऐसा था कि we earn daily and we spend daily. So there is no time for us or for my dad. So they cannot afford to, if I'm going spending few days into my passion. So I have to be work with my dad. But when they realize, oh, now my son start making a few money, few hundred of rupees. I remember one day my dad says, "Oh, you cannot go in this line." And then one day I just did a one stage show, and I got like 100 rupees. And that time, like 96, 95, 100 rupees is a lot of money. And then when I says, "Oh, I got 100 rupees," so my dad was very happy. And then slowly, he still don't he was still not don't want me to go fully pay attention in this line, but slowly he was okay, you can go. And they were little sport start giving me a sport on that after that incident. Yeah.
तो या ज्यादातर ये होता है, शायद पेरेंट्स को फियर होता है कि द चिल्ड्रन वोंट मेक इट इन द एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ फेवरेटिज्म दैट plays out in the industry, and a lot of newcomers as a result don't get an opportunity. ज्यादातर star kids को opportunities they होता है, उनको opportunities मिलते हैं. So it's a great feat कि आपने अपनी खुद पैरों पर खड़े हो गए, एंड देन आई गेस द फैमिली सॉ दैट यू कुड मेक इट एंड देन दे सपोर्टेड यू। तो आप मुंबई तक आप पहुंचे, एंड अभी आप बीसी में हो। मुंबई में आपका करियर या जर्नी, जैसे आपने हमें कहा कि आप बहुत प्रोजेक्ट्स के साथ इन्वॉल्व थे, कैन यू टेल अस अबाउट सम ऑफ द मेमोरेबल प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट यू वर पार्ट ऑफ?
So I was Chandigarh is little advanced city from Punjab. Punjab is also advanced, but if you're talking about film, movie stuff, so Chandigarh has like a little Bollywood, you can say that. So when I was in Patiala, and then I have to do something, I just take a bus and I come to Chandigarh and meet over there a few people. Oh, I'm an actor, because I started my career as an actor. I did not realize that, and I had never thought that I'm going to become a director. So I was struggling in acting. And I think, I believe in 1998 there is a guy is called Pawan Kaul. He's also a very famous movie director. His movie came Shh Koi Hai. and he was working in Hindi and Bollywood films. Then he was there to making a one show that's called X Zone for ZTV, and then he cast me as a one of the main character. And we shot it in Manali. I was staying few days over there. And आपको पता है जब एक बार आप कैमरा फेस कर लेते हो ना एक प्रोफेशनल टीम के साथ, then you are in different world. तो मुझे लगा यार इससे बढ़िया तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता है और मुझे लगता नहीं है मुझे कुछ और करना है. तो मैं चंडीगढ़ में था और चंडीगढ़ में मैं उनके साथ मनाली गया और उनके साथ ही फिर मैं बॉम्बे आ गया. So I just,
गुड. तो आपकी
Bowling से-
डेस्टिनी थी बट यू परस्यूड इट.
yes, वो जर्नी मेरी जो स्टार्ट हुई, that after that X Zone, then I started my journey as an actor. Then I moved to Mumbai, 1998.
और मुंबई से आप आ गए बीसी में, राइट?
मुंबई के बाद मैं कनाडा आ गया. Yes, yeah, you're
यस,
right.
परफेक्ट. और कनाडा आकर अभी आप आदित्यास द कंपनी आपकी है. सो वी वांट टू टॉक मोर अबाउट दैट, लेकिन उससे पहले लेते हैं छोटा सा break. स्पॉटलाइट में फिर से आपका स्वागत है. वी आर टॉकिंग टू मिस्टर आदित्यास. तो आपकी जर्नी इंस्पायरिंग रही हमारे लिए. लाइक यू टॉक्ड अबाउट हाउ यू केम फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़ टू बीसी. अभी बीसी में आप आके आपने शुरू किया आपकी कंपनी. कैन यू टेल अस अ लिटिल बिट मोर अबाउट दैट?
Amita, when I moved to Canada, so there is an incident that my wife actually, we have a love marriage, and my wife, have no, उसको ज़्यादा मालूम नहीं था what exactly I do. So when I moved to Canada, then she obviously looking and some kind of job for me. And then I told her, I said, look, I don't think so that I made for a job. Like I don't mind if I have to, but my right now, I'm looking some another opportunity. Then I says I want to do something in my line. Then yeah, then I open up a film office here and I start working here as an looking a career in directions or acting. So then I met one guy in Vancouver who helped me to start my first movie, and then 2009 we started my first film career. Yeah, as a
Amazing.
director. As a director.
As a
Yes.
as a director.
As a director.
That's very interesting कि you had a love marriage और आपकी पत्नी को पता नहीं था. Like you had all this talent in you. That is great. I love it कि आप ने आपके पैशन को नहीं जोड़ा, क्योंकि ज्यादातर जब लोग कनाडा आते हैं there's a little bit of a struggle to get settled. तो but we are grateful कि आपने आपके पैशन को नहीं जोड़ा. और अभी Aditya's company provides a lot of different entertainment needs to people. Tell us a little bit more about that.
So I started my film company here, and I then realized there is so many people who wants to do something in this line. So I thought there is an opportunity. There might be opportunity in Mumbai or India, but there is no such kind of opportunity in Canada. So I started my school here, my production house here. So I was giving few, people who was struggling here as an artist or some other field. So I give them a chance in my movie, and they are continue. I was just trying to give a chance to the new talent. And then now we also starting a proper complete film school. We are also, and I'm also opening my own music level as well, the music production company. So now I think it's good for the people who lives here. They can have like acting classes, film school, anything related entertainment. So we just made a new office in Vancouver. So now we're gonna be start. We are just waiting for the COVID, and now it's gonna be 100% of business gonna be operation will be starting soon. Then people who have a interest in acting or music or like a cameraman, makeup, anything like that. So my film school will give them all the facilities.
Amazing. जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा, one stop shop for everything. तो कहाँ पर हमारे viewers information ले सकते हैं?
They can go to adityas.com. That is my website. And the people who lives in BC, in Surrey, pretty much they know about me. So they can also Google us anytime and they will find more information. Yeah.
Great. और अब बारी है कंग्रेचुलेट करने की, क्योंकि योर लेटेस्ट फिल्म इज गोइंग टू बी रिलीज, तेरी मेरी जोड़ी। तो टेल अस अ लिटिल बिट मोर अबाउट दैट।
Teri Meri Jodi journey was amazing. We started in movie in 2018, sorry 19, and then it was not released properly. It's some reason in 2019, and then we were planning to re-release, and then the COVID started in February or March 2020. So we were waiting so long. The film is very beautiful. The film explaining the relationship between father and son, the relationship between brother and sister, relationship between the families. How difficult for a families when their understanding is not together, and when they are thinking separately, all the circumstances. So very beautiful film. And then I couldn't release in 2020, and then now the time in 2021, we just had a premiere on TV, getting a very huge response, very good response. So now, my team and everyone, we decided to release this film on big screen. As the theater are opening now, India theaters are already open. I think Canada, Australia has a few cities where the theaters are open. So I think we are planning to release this film in August. The date is not confirmed yet, but any time between, I think, second or third week.
Amazing. तो इंटरनेशनल रिलीज हो रही है, एंड इट्स सच अ ब्यूटिफुल कॉन्सेप्ट कि आपने फोकस किया है रिलेशनशिप्स पर, एंड दिस इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट दैट वी आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ अ ग्रेट पैंडेमिक, एंड जहाँ पर हमें रियलाइज हुआ है कि व्हाट रियली मैटर्स इज रिलेशनशिप्स. सो आई थिंक दैट्स अ ग्रेट कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर पीपल टू लुक आउट फॉर. What was the whole experience like? I know with all the hurdles आपको हुआ with the COVID, लेकिन पूरा experience आपने कहा कि it was good. So what was it like? Was the shooting done mainly in Canada? Yeah, you went to different locations, or was that not possible because of COVID? तो उसके बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए.
Anita, Teri Meri Jodi is not a typical film. This is a huge artistic film. So it's not just we had few people who just put the camera and shoot it. It's not like that. So each and every scene I designed. It took me, like, before the shooting started, it took me at least a year and a half for the pre-production, because I designed myself, like, all the scenes, the backgrounds, colors combinations, and then each and every scene, if you saw the movie, or if you see the watch the movie, you will realize that the scene was is totally and completely artistic. Artistic mean you can feel it. You can maybe imagine that you are in the scene and you are a part of the scene. That's the kind of the film I shot it. And then we started from Punjab, and then the film shot it in Punjab, different locations, and then also we shoot it in Mumbai, and then we also shoot it in Canada. Yes, there are, without hurdles, you cannot reach your destiny. So there were hurdles during the shootings. A lot of people, when you are working with 100 people, so definitely sometimes you don't have the same thinking, and sometimes at certain point you have a might to have an argument, and when the things are not going according to you, sometimes you're mad, sometimes you're happy. But end of the day, it was good experience. All the artists and technicians, whoever worked with the Teri Meri Jodi was amazing team. And now, yeah, so now during the shooting, this pretty much we had the experience.
ग्रेट. तो आप कैसे कर पाते हैं? ज्यादातर जब हर्डल्स होता है, चैलेंजेस होता है, पीपल काइंड ऑफ बैक अवे एंड देन से गिव अप ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट. तो आपकी क्या मंत्रा होती है कि डिस्पाइट द हर्डल्स व्हिच यू हैव फेस्ड ऑल योर लाइफ, जैसे कि आपने जो डिसीजन लिया करियर की एंड देन डिसाइडेड टू मूव फॉरवर्ड विद योर पैशन, हर स्टेज पर आपको हर्डल्स हुए बट यू केप्ट पुशिंग फॉरवर्ड. आपका मंत्रा क्या है?
मंत्र कुछ नहीं है. Man, I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep because I want to, paint my dream. The painting is not complete. So that's the only thing. So I have a dream in my mind, and I want to paint every morning. Every morning I wake up, I start that dream. I want to be put it on the painting, but couldn't do it. So till that, I'm gonna be keep going. I'm keep following my passion. So mantra is nothing. You have to do. You have to do. You have no choice. So this is I'm the one who chose this. So I'm the one who's gonna be complete this. So you cannot blame other people, right? Yeah.
Very well said. तो viewers keep an eye out. तेरी मेरी जोड़ी रिलीज हो रही है अगस्त में एंड आई इज दैट राइट मिस्टर आदित्य कि वो आपके वेबसाइट पर जाकर इंफॉर्मेशन ले पाएंगे कि व्हेन
That's correct.
एग्जैक्टली इज द रिलीज डेट?
Update on my website, they will have all the information. They will take it on my social sites. They can also follow me on Insta. Is Aditya's film director. They can also follow me on Facebook. Aditya Sood. That's my previous name. Now I changed to Aditya's. So they can also they can take the informations on social sites or website. Yes.
ग्रेट. तो आप जानना चाहेंगे हु इज द रियल पर्सन बिहाइंड द आदित्यस कंपनी, लेकिन उससे पहले लेते हैं छोटा सा ब्रेक. वेलकम बैक टू स्पॉटलाइट. हम बात कर रहे हैं मिस्टर आदित्य से, जिनकी मूवी तेरी मेरी जोड़ी इज सेट टू रिलीज ऑन अगस्त. तो वी फाउंड आउट अ लॉट अबाउट यू आदित्यस, अबाउट आपकी जर्नी के बारे में, अबाउट योर कंपनी. आप जानना चाहेंगे कि आपकी लॉन्ग टर्म विजन क्या है, ईदर एज अ पर्सन और एज दैट एंटरप्रेन्योर?
Anita, I think मेरे हिसाब से मेरी जर्नी from the beginning as a child, then because I was growing this industry from my childhood, then my young age, then I'm still young, but now the
Young, always
middle age,
young
I
at heart.
spent my almost my whole life in film industry. So I saw so many things in industry. I saw the politics, I saw um, many things. So I decided now it's time for the new talent, you know, for you to do something for them. So I'm just trying to create a platform where you don't need to go some other people. Anita, you can do everything. You can shoot a movie, you can do post production, you can do casting, and you can complete the film. The problem is when the product is ready, is no way you can deliver, because then that's the game in not in your hand. So you are dependent to somebody. Let's say you make something, and now the other person is going to be decided who going to be delivered to the audience. And that time, a lot of people, a lot of producers, passionate producers or new producers who wants to work, and on that point they are helpless, because on that point they don't know what's going to be happen. And distributor, they just don't care. They don't care like how much passion you have. They don't care how much hard work you put in the movie. They have no emotions. So most of the people have no emotions. I'm not talking all the distributions, but yes, most of them has no emotions. And that point, you are end up with uh, you come back home with empty hands, so you have nothing in your hand. So now I'm deciding to create a platform where artists has no problem. They can just work a new talent. They can contact me, and I also opening my own distributions, my music level, and I'm also starting to open my own OTT platform. Not a big level, but small. I'm starting with a small OTT platform where I can give most of the creating a industry, small industry for the people who really wants to work in the industry.
That is great, especially in these times, क्योंकि fan based content is really making a huge wave. और आजकल सिर्फ silver screen पर ही नहीं successful projects होते हैं. It's the era of digital streaming as well. तो आपके जैसे company हो तो there's a lot of hope for the new talent out there who sometimes gets bogged down by the fact that कि जो entertainment industry है ज़्यादातर, जैसे कि हमने कहा, favoritism करते हैं star kids की ओर. So this is really great that you're providing such a great platform. And जैसे कि आपकी जो persistence है, we know it'll be successful and there's a lot of hope for the new talent out there. तो आपकी प्लेट इतनी फुल है, लाइक यू डू सो मच, और आपने हमें बताया कि आपकी फैमिली भी है, तो आप कैसे बैलेंस कर पाते हैं आपकी पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ?
आई एम वेरी स्मार्ट, सो व्हाट आई डू, मैंने अपनी बीवी को प्रोड्यूसर बना दिया है, मेरा
नाइस।
बेटा है उसको भी मैंने एक्टिंग में लगा दिया है, राइट? सो मैंने उन सबको मेरी तरफ खींच लिया है, सो देन दे हैव नो प्रॉब्लम। Family is very cooperative. My wife, she's amazing lady. You can say she is the behind of everything. She's the one who helped me, support me. All the circumstances we see, our downfall, now upfall, we have all the experience. She's the one who's always, stand for me, and she's still, always behind me. So I think time can be managed if the family is supporting, then you can do anything. So I'm lucky that I have a very cooperative family, and who always help me, and they're very positive. So yeah.
अमेजिंग। तो इट्स अ फैमिली बेस्ड अफेयर, बट इट्स ग्रेट कि आपने आपकी पैशन को शेयर किया फैमिली के साथ, एंड द फैमिली वाज रेडी टू सपोर्ट यू एट दिस पॉइंट। पहले आपने कहा इन द बिगिनिंग इट वाज हार्डर बिकॉज यू केम फ्रॉम अ फैमिली हु आल्सो हैड देयर प्रायोरिटीज, लेकिन अब भी आपने अपनी खुद की एक छोटी सी फैमिली बना ली है, नॉट जस्ट द एंटरटेनमेंट फैमिली, आपकी खुद की फैमिली, एंड इट इज the both worlds have come together very nicely.
Entertainment is also my second family. If I say it's like a film, that is my second family, and this is my first family.
Very well said. Well, मिस्टर आदित्यस, या फिर आपको कहूँ आदित्यस, बिकॉज इतनी छोटी समय में इतनी अच्छी जान पहचान हो गई, you have really inspired us today to go after whatever our passion is, and telling us a lot about not just your journey, but about how you're going to be helping a lot of our viewers who aspire to be like you someday. आप उनको कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, those of our viewers who are struggling to probably go after their passions?
Yeah, I just would like to say everyone, like, if you have a passion to doing something in film industry or any entertainment industry, so first thing in life, never give up. So, you always think positive, always wake up in the morning with a fresh mind, and always says yourself, yes, you can do it, because it's nothing impossible. If you look your background, where we come from, if we can come here and, we can do much better for us. And then why not your passion? If you think about it, I think I want to say everyone, just stay positive.
Well, thank you so much, Adityas, for talking to us today. And we wish you all the best for all your projects, especially Teri Meri Jodi, which is all set to release in August. Well, that's a wrap for this week's show. Thank you for watching us. Continue to follow us on Facebook, on Twitter, and write to us at spotlight@ethnicchannels.com. Until next week, this is Amita signing off, encouraging you to find the versatility within.